For the past 7 months, I've been a member of the Brony community, which is a community that revolves around the show My Little Pony: Friendship is Magic. And it is so much more than that. The community is not just about the show. It's about its fans and us coming together and having fun with friends who share common interests. The Brony community, is about having fun. From all the amazing artwork out there, to the incredible music, like the one that you hear playing right now, all inspired by the show My Little Pony: Friendship is Magic. From all the hate that we get, from all the teasing, people actually making fun and being rude and mean and cruel to other bronies, to the people who literally will beat someone up just because they like the show My Little Pony: Friendship is Magic. And despite all of this, we stay strong. We stick together. We find comfort in each other. And I'm just realizing that is what makes us who we are. We stick together. It's not just about the amazing show with great voice acting, awesome animation, great plot line, catchy musical numbers, amazing storytelling. It's not about that anymore. It's about sticking together. It's about being us. It's about being who we are. That is what the Brony community is all about. And I can say right now, I am damn proud to be a member of such an amazing community.